Blood carries oxygen, carbon dioxide, nutrients and other vitamins and minerals to all parts of the body. But have you ever wondered how blood reaches every part? Let's see. Blue color represents deoxygenated blood and the red color represents oxygenated blood. Now this is done by a primary muscular organ, heart. Yes, there it is, between the lungs, as big as a fist.
Select the human heart.
Let us understand the outer structure of the heart. So, all the deoxygenated blood from the upper body comes through superior vena cava. Remember, the position at the top separates from these three. You can rotate and check them too. Similarly, deoxygenated blood from lower body comes through inferior vena cava. It is quite easy to remember as it is very broad and facing downwards. Now, from heart, the deoxygenated blood goes to the lungs through this horizontal tube-like structure called the pulmonary artery. It is the only artery that carries deoxygenated blood. You can rotate and check. We all know in lungs, blood gets oxygenated. This oxygenated blood from lungs comes to the heart through these two horizontal shaped tubes. This is known as pulmonary vein. Remember, whenever it is related to the lungs, mention pulmonary, the only vein that carries oxygenated blood. Now, these three arteries take oxygenated blood to the upper body and the aorta carries blood to the lower body.
Select the human heart.
The deoxygenated blood comes in from the superior vena cava and inferior vena cava. Blood then enters the right atrium. From here, blood enters the right ventricle through tricuspid valve. The valve prevents the backflow of the blood. You can rotate and check. Right ventricle squeezes blood to the pulmonary artery. The one at right is called right pulmonary and one at left is left pulmonary. The circulation is known as pulmonary circulation. Remember where it was, the horizontal tube that carries deoxygenated blood to the lungs. You can rotate and check. We know pulmonary vein carries the oxygen-rich blood to the heart from both the lungs. The one at right is called right pulmonary and one at left is left pulmonary. The circulation is known as systemic circulation. The oxygenated blood comes to the left atrium. Through mitral valve, it goes to the left ventricle. From this left ventricle, blood comes to the arteries and aorta then carries oxygen-rich blood to all parts of the body. Learning tips. Point number 1. Pulmonary is the term related to the lungs. That is why we have pulmonary artery and pulmonary veins. Point number 2. How to remember? We know in the English alphabets A comes first. So atrium is the top chamber. Point number 3. Right side always carries wrong blood. That means deoxygenated blood.
Drag and drop the label to the correct position.
Important facts. Point number 1. The heart carries around 5.7 liters of blood in a day throughout the body. Number 2. Cholesterol accumulates at the lining of blood vessels and causes heart blockage. Yoga, healthy diet and a good lifestyle can prevent this. Number 3. All vertebrates have chambers. For example, fishes have 2 chambers. Amphibians and reptiles have 3 chambers, 2 arteries and 1 ventricle. And birds and humans have 4 chambers. Point number 4. An adult heart beats about 60 to 80 times per minute. For a newborn baby, the heart beats at a faster rate, which is around 70 to 190 beats per minute.
You have successfully completed this activity.